My name is Vipul Shah. I'm an ophthalmologist with Charlotte Eye, Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates. I do general ophthalmology as well as corneal disease, refractive surgery, and ocular surface disease, and cataract surgery, of course, too. I chose ophthalmology because it's one of the, I think, most fascinating fields of medicine. There are so many areas in medicine where you have to choose either the medical aspect of a disease or a surgical aspect of a disease. We get to do all of it together. And I think the eyes are such an important part of the human experience. Vision is so central to how we perceive the world around us, and so we have a real ability to impact people right away in really profound ways when we improve their vision. And so that's something that's really been special to me. And I think that sort of wow feedback that we get from patients is really encouraging when you're in medicine. Plus we have a lot of gadgets and toys, and I've always enjoyed doing that stuff. I've always wanted to become a doctor at a very young age. I've always been very interested in science and the sciences, and being a doctor is an easy way to use that interest and that knowledge and the learning you have to help people, and I think that's one of the great appeals that people have in medicine and becoming a doctor. And since I've gotten into it, it's really turned out to be, in a lot of ways, exactly what I expected it to be, in that we get to really learn a lot about the human body and science and biology, but it's very immediately applied in a practical way to help patients and improve their lives, and that's been really enriching and fulfilling. It's a long road to get there, but I've been really glad that I've chosen this. I couldn't imagine doing anything other than this. I went to undergraduate at Duke University, which was a great time, go Blue Devils, and then I went for medical school and residency at the University of South Florida in Tampa. I'm from Florida when I was growing up, and so that was kind of where I went for med school and stayed. And then I went to Denver, Colorado for my fellowship in cornea and external disease, and so that was a year there, and then I went to practice for a few years in Tampa again, and so now we're back in North Carolina. It's been great to be back in North Carolina and be back here. So in my time off, I have a wife and 2 young children. I have a 3-year-old boy and a 3-month-old girl, and they pretty much consume all of our time. So between spending time with them and some church activities, and I like to read and play tennis, but those are the things that really consume a lot of time right now, which is really great.